This is my Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen 44mm that I got not long ago from Apple, and I got with it, of course, the original Apple Band. And I wanted to change the band to get more colors, more choices, and just to change the look of the watch. But I didn't want to purchase a band from Apple because it's very expensive. So I went to Amazon and I got this pack of 6 bands, and this is at a fraction of the price of the band that comes from Apple. So in this video, we're gonna see the colors that come in this pack, and also we're gonna see the quality up close, and I'm gonna show you how to change the band, and I'm gonna be testing it to tell you if it's comfortable and if it is also a good band. So let me bring the camera up close to show you all this. By the way, if you wanna check out these bands, I'm gonna leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage, but this is at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. So these are the bands. Let me remove them, all of them, so that you can see the colors. Of course, you can also choose other colors. These are the colors that I chose, and they are all perforated. Of course, also you can get bands, aftermarket bands, that are not perforated. So the red is really good. This is gray, this is navy blue, and this is like a khaki, white, and green. So these bands are made of silicone, and they are really very light. I tried them before, and I can tell you I wore them for many days, and they are very comfortable. The build quality is top notch, as you see. There are no faults anywhere. So this is the red one, and all of them are really well made. The magnets are there. So this is the blue one, and so on and so forth. So let me show you how to remove the band from the Apple Watch now. So to remove the band, you see this small rectangle here. Push it with your fingernail and then slide the band either to the top or to the bottom, and it is removed very easily. So let me put here the other band. To put the other band, you need to make sure that the silver here magnet is facing the back of the watch like this, and then you can slide it either from the top or from the bottom. So I'm gonna slide it from the top here. When it goes to the middle, it will click in place. If it doesn't click, bring it a little bit up like this, and now it clicked in place. So let me remove the other one, and let me install this one here. So I'm gonna slide this one from the bottom, and here it clicked in place. So let me wear it to show you how it is. So you wear it like this, and then you push it here in the pin, and then it goes in like this. And it really is very good. It is spot on. See how it fits exactly on the watch, and here too. And it is really very comfortable. So let me now compare it to the Apple Watch Band. Let me remove this one here so that you can see it better. So this is the shorter band that I got with the Apple Watch, and the bands that I got are a little bit longer. So for the construction, it is really very good. See the magnets here, and everything is well made. And even the opening here, it is the same. So let me zoom in to show you the size up close. So for the size, it is exactly the same. And also for the thickness, it is exactly the same. Now this band, as I said, it is perforated, so it is a little bit lighter than the one that I got from Apple that is not perforated. And this is the other end of the band, and also it is exactly the same. Don't hesitate to leave me your comments in the comments section below, and if you got aftermarket Apple Watch bands, let me know also what you think about them. I want to thank you all for watching. If you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.